Hi, I am Ujjwal Sikdar, Durgapur Success Center School and University, Government of India, Ministry of Electronics, Telecommunication and Information Technology, Ministry of Power, the Chief Postmaster General, West Bengal Circle, Yogajog Bhavan, Kolkata 70012, Mr. Twin Sikdar, Bachelor in Power Engineering, Jadavpur University, contact number 9933491984 and the contact number 9679675381. Email ID tuhin.sikdar100@gmail.com. Only education can lead you to bright future. যদি তুমি উজ্জ্বল ভবিষ্যৎ চাও তাহলে শুধুমাত্র নেতৃত্বে চাই শিক্ষা ম্যাথমেটিক্স টিউশন ফ্রম ক্লাস 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 all boarded West Bengal Board of Secondary Education WBBSC West Bengal Council of Higher Secondary Education WBCHSC Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE the Indian Certificate of Secondary Education ICSC Graduation Engineering Honors Degree online classes are also available. Thank you. I am Prince Ujjwal Sikdar. Now, dear fellow citizen, Namaskar. On the eve of 75th Republic Day, I extend my heartiest greetings to every Indian at home and abroad. From the day the Constitution came into effect to the present day, it has been an amazing journey that has inspired many others nations. Every citizen has reason to be proud of the Indian story. When we celebrate the Republic Day, we celebrate what we are achieved together as a nation. India is, of course, home on to one of the oldest living civilization. India is called the mother of democracy as a modern republic. However, we are yours. In the early year of independence, we face country success challenges and adversities. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Krishna plus everything in Vrindavan. This life of material existence is just like hard wood, and if we can carve Krishna out of it, that is the success of our life. I have a project now, cost is 700 crore. Thank you. I am Prince Sikdar, Ujjwal Sikdar. I live in AS 2 by 4 Srinagar Polli, Banachiti, District Paschim Bardhaman, postal index number 713213, Bardhaman. Durgapur Success Center School and University, 70 bracket 16 plus 1, the cardinal number that is the sum of 16 and 1. 17 means that is called 17. Now 17 equations that changes the world by mathematician Ian Streetward. Check out Alpha Signal. Website are given uh, to get weekly summary of the top 1% papers, news report, and tweets in machine learning. Website are follows my Instagram, Twitters, as well as Twitter. I was born 19 August 1992. Now I describe the seven equations are. First equation is Pythagoras theorem. Equation is a square plus b square is equal to c square. Scientist name Pythagoras, 530 BC. Equation number 2, logarithm. Logs x y log x into y is equal to log x plus log y. Scientist name John Napier, 1610. Equation number 3, calculus. Equation is uh, derivative function f divided by derivative dt is equal to limit h tends to 0 function of 1 plus h bracket close minus function f t divided by h. Scientist name Newton, 1687. Equation number 4, laws of gravity. Equation is force equal to F equal to G into M1 M2 divided by R square, where G is gravitational constant, M1 and M2 are the masses, and R square R is the distance. Scientist name Newton, 1687. Equation number 5, square root of -1. Equation is I square equal to -1. Scientist name Euler, 1751. Equation number 6, Euler's formula for polyhedra. Equation is capital V minus capital E plus F is equal to 2. Equation is Euler, 1751. Equation number 7, normal distribution. Equation is phi function of x is equal to 1 by root over 2 pi f and into e to the power x minus mu bracket close whole square divided by 2 rho square. Scientist name C. F. Gauss, 1810. Equation number 8, wave equation. Equation is rho square u divided by rho uh, d square u divided by dt square equal to c square d square uh, u divided by dx square. That means double derivative with respect to t and equal to c square double derivative with respect to x. Scientist name J. D. Alembert, 1746. Equation number 9, Fourier transform. Equation is capital F is equal to omega equal to integration lower limit minus infinity upper limit plus infinity function f of x into e to the power minus 2 pi I x into omega into uh, small dx. Scientist name J. Fourier. Equation number 10, Navier-Stokes equation. Equation is rho bracket dv by dt plus v into del v bracket close is equal to minus del p capital P plus del capital T plus f c into Navier-Stokes, 1845. Equation number 11, Maxwell's equation, del E equal to 0
del H equal to 0, del L into E is equal to minus 1 by C, del H by del T, del H is equal to 1 by C, del E by del T. J.S. Maxwell, 1865. Equation number 12, second law of thermodynamics. Equation is ds greater than or equal to 0. Scientist name L. Boltzmann, 1874. Equation number 13, relativity. Equation is capital E is equal to mc square. Scientist name Einstein, 1905. Equation number 14, Schrodinger's equation. Equation is I uh, h bar into uh, derivative if psi with respect to t equal to capital is psi. E scientist name E. Schrodinger, 1927. Equation number 15, uh, information theory. Equation is capital H is equal to minus summation of function of px log px. Yeah, scientist name C. Shannon, 1949. Equation is 16, Chow's theory. Equation is uh, mm, x plus 1 x is equal to k into x t bracket 1 minus xt bracket close. Robert May, 1975. Equation number 17, Black-Scholes equation. Equation is 1 and half rho square s square double derivative v with respect to s plus r s uh, first derivative capital V with respect to s plus del v plus del t minus r v is equal to 0. Scientist name A. Black, other scientist name M. Scholes, 1990. Tuhin Sikdar, equation number 18. Uh, Equation is T is equal to U into bracket 0 divided by world is equal to U into 0 divided by world. 0 divided by world is equal to 0. Tuhin Sikdar, 1992. Now, Durgapur Success Center School and University. Uh, uh, University, 78th Indian Republic Day 2024, 15th August 1947. Durgapur Success Center School and University. Thank you. I am Twin Sikdar, Uchar Sikdar. Love you all. Have a nice day.